Hey guys, so I just got home from work a little while ago, so I thought I'd do a little review video on this right here. This is a popcorn machine. It's called Stir Crazy, which is made by West Bend. This is actually the second machine that I got. Actually, the first one was actually a birthday present that I got from my mother, and this is actually what it looked like. It's an Orville Redenbacher Presto. I used it once, and then after the first use on it, I realized there was a crack right on the very top of the bowl. So my mother had to take it back to Walmart. And here on the Target website shows they have it for $38.49. And so, just a couple days ago, I went and bought this at Target. They had it for $25, which is not too bad. This one is actually a better quality one than the Presto. I kind of think that this bowl here is actually a little bit thicker, a little bit stronger though, and it has no cracks at all whatsoever. Definitely looks really nice. This is the power cord. You just plug this in right here. It goes, oh yeah, it just goes right there. Here's a little booklet. Shows on how to like clean it all up after you're done using it, and it's even got some little recipes too, which is pretty nice. This one can pop up to about 6 quarts of popcorn. I popped the most that I've popped out of it so far is about maybe 4 quarts of popcorn, and it pretty much filled up this entire bowl. So this right here is basically for like if you would want to have butter in your popcorn, you can just like put some butter, and with the heat from this will actually melt all that butter, and all that melted butter will drip onto the popcorn while it's popping, which that's actually pretty cool. And even while you're using it, you always want to leave this cap off, just so that way all the moisture can come right out. So that way your popcorn will taste a lot better. Then just when you're done actually using it, you just put that on, and then you just flip the machine over just when it's all done, after you would unplug it. Which is pretty nice. So I'm going to bring this thing into the kitchen, and we'll give it a try. See how well it works. Alright, so we're in the kitchen here. So I'm going to make 2 quarts of popcorn, pretty much just for myself, which 2 quarts is basically enough just for me. 4 quarts is probably plenty for 2 people, and then 6 would be enough pretty much probably for 4 people. I know my shadow's kind of in the way. Alright, so for 2 quarts, we would need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/3 of a cup of popcorn, and for like an option, if you would want butter, put just 1 tablespoon of butter. Alright, so I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of oil. There we go. I'm just going to kind of just spread the oil around. Just so that the whole bottom of this is all coated with oil. And we need 1/3 of a cup of popcorn, if I can find the actual measuring cup. Yep, there it is. So let me put the camera down again. Alright. Alright, so we got like 1/3 of a cup of popcorn kernels, so we'll just put that all in. You don't have to put like an even amount because of this little arm will help stir it up around. So the oil I'm using here is some canola oil. I usually use this oil right here, Orville Redenbacher buttery flavored popcorn. So I thought I'd just use canola oil since I actually am gonna use butter. Alright, so we'll get the top on. Alright, and I'm going to do about 1 tablespoon of butter. Alright, so got the butter right on top here. I kind of find to make the butter melt a little quicker, I like to just cut the butter into real small increments, like I have right here. This is 1 tablespoon of butter, and I just cut it into little 4 cubes right here. And do not put this on while it's doing all the popping. You want to not put this on until when it's all done. Alright, so I got the cord hooked up to the machine right here. So now let's plug this in. That little stir arm is moving them around. This arm will actually go not just one way, it will go the other way. Kernels are starting to sizzle. This thing doesn't take too long to heat up. I think one of them started popping. The butter's now starting to kind of get soft now. Well, I thought I did hear a pop. Maybe I didn't. And now the arm just rotated. Now it's going the other way. Here we go. Now we got the first pop. And my butter's now melting. And that's good. here we go. Working great. Yep. Yeah, the butter sure melts a lot better now. Cool. So, since now it's all done popping, we just unplug the machine and we'll put this on. Some of that butter eventually will be all completely melted, and then we just flip her over. And voila, got some good popcorn here. Let me sprinkle a little bit of salt on it. Let's see what it tastes. Well, that's pretty good. It actually tastes a little bit better than it does when doing it right on the stove. So again, that's my new popcorn machine called Stir Crazy, made by West Bend. Definitely a good machine. So, hope y'all enjoyed the video. So, thanks for watching.